A supercomputing system typically has a wide variety of software installed. Since it is a multi-user environment, each user might have different requirements for the application software, including its version, how it's been compiled, linked, or configured. To avoid conflicts among installed binaries and their dependencies, a system has been developed. Environment modules are a way to manage software by modifying the user's shell environments. Within an HPC system, application software modules are usually available on the compute nodes only. After starting an interactive session, the module command becomes available. To begin, we can use the module avail command, or module AV for short, to print all the modules currently available in the system. The packages we see include applications, libraries, compilers, and various utility programs. A module adjusts the user's shell environment to ensure that a given software works properly. Let's see an example. The path shell variable holds a list of directories to search for executables. We can inspect it using the echo $path command. If we try to run the abinit program without loading its module, we will see the familiar command not found message. We can make the application available by loading its module with module load, followed by the module's name. After doing so, repeating the echo command will show that new directories have been added to the list. Now, running the abinit command will launch the application. There are other useful commands we can use to manage modules. Module list displays the currently loaded modules. We can see the details of what a module does with module display. This command shows us the module's description, dependencies, and shell variables that the module affects. Module unload followed by the module's name will unload it. Module switch takes two modules as arguments and replaces one with the other in our environment. Module purge clears the environment of all loaded modules. It is important to note that we can load multiple modules at the same time. Some of them, however, might conflict with each other. If this happens, we will be notified when we attempt to load them both. As a user, we can use the already available modules, or, if necessary, create our own module file for an application we've installed locally. Once we close the shell, the modules and the entire environment are cleared automatically.